of the World Health Organization Pakistan mission, Plethamai reached Turbat, Balochistan with an aim of holding a meeting in the office of Commissioner Makaran. In the meeting, Commissioner Makaran, Shabir Ahmed Mengal and W.H.O Makaran Area Coordinator Dr. Mansoor Ahmed briefed them about the situation of health and floods. They state that Pakistan has suffered to a great extent due to recent flash flood. People are heavily suffering from many diseases because of flood in various districts, including Lasbela district of Balochistan. Diarrhea, malaria and dengue diseases have increased drastically. They ensured during a brief that WHO would work closely with local authorities for the prevention of these prevailing diseases.
Pakistan is severely affected due to the flood situation. It was identified 116 districts are severely damaged, and also 60 districts have been declared as hard hit districts. And World Health Organization is coming out to support the flood response, and we do appreciate the measures taken by the government of Pakistan and the provincial governments. And today, under these flood response activities, World Health Organization, a team of colleagues and expertise have come to Kech districts. We met with the commissioner, we have met with the deputy commissioner and all the other officials from the teaching hospitals, and the district health officer as well and his team.
WHO Pakistan mission representative Dr. Paleethamai further said that teaching hospital Turbat is performing its professional duties well. In the meeting, it was discussed to provide CT scan and other modern machinery and facilities to teaching hospital Turbat. They claimed that they would put their best to deliver all necessary amenities, including CT scan and other machineries, on behalf of World Health Organization WHO.
مزید دلچسپ معلومات اور خبروں سے آگاہ ہونے کے لیے گدروشیاپوائنٹ فیس بک پیج، انسٹاگرام، ٹویٹر کو فالو اور یوٹیوب چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں۔ بیل آئیکن بٹن دبانا نہ بھولیں تاکہ مکران سمیت بلوچستان کی خبروں سے جڑے رہیں۔